So I bought this for quite some time already. This is actually an auto reclosure which enables the power to switch on automatically after a few seconds if it trips because of a lightning. So I installed this in the kampong already, and I want to do one in my house here in town. So first problem is this enclosure is already full. This DB box is already full, so I need to replace it with a bigger one so they can fit this, because this, known as an RCCB also, is bigger. So need to replace that. So this DB is going to be replaced with this one, which is much bigger, because I want to put or fit in another RCCB, or replace the current RCCB to a bigger one. So this is the RCCB I want to put in. So if there's a blackout, this one will automatically switch on. So what needs to be done here is to take off the whole thing here, and then rewire all of this. All these wires need to be taken out and refitted into the new frame, and that's about it lah. Take about an hour, I think, hopefully. And to replace that, I bought a bigger enclosure which fits the board, and I just need to replace this with this frame. So that's going to happen soon. What I need to do is take off all the wires and reconnect it back. So this is a new MCB or DB box, as you can see here. I've installed this automatic RCCB, which will switch off if there's a power outage, and everything else has been fixed properly. So pretty happy with what I've done, and so far it's been switched on for, I think this has been functioning for the past 5 hours, and there doesn't seem to be any problem. So I would say it's a task or job well done.